and welcome to Brandography, how to help you to create unforgettable images for your brand. We got to talk to tons of amazing people about knowing your brand photos, your SEO tips, and tools you can use to take fantastic pictures for your cohesive brand.
We talked a little bit about image SEO, how to optimize your photos, which keywords to use, and the different places where your photos can show up online.
I'm in real estate, and I learned that when I'm taking photos, I should actually be in a neighborhood that I'm selling to.
I love attending these events, and I think it's important too because of community. You get to learn about other people's businesses. It's important to stay up to date and always be learning.